Day, I don't know, let me look. Day 11. Yep, day 11 on Chantix. Oh, the past 2 nights, I'd say I've slept a grand total of maybe 5 hours. It's keeping me awake. Not crazy dreams or anything, but definitely keeping me awake. Last night I did have a vivid dream, like my first dream that could be associated to taking Chantix, and I actually dreamt that I had quit smoking. So, maybe it's messing with my psyche a little bit. That's a good thing to be dreaming about. It's now 3:30 or almost like 4 o'clock on a Saturday, and I'm finally getting out of bed. Um, I mean, if I can't sleep, I might as well at least rest my body a little bit. I could feel that my body is definitely going through it. This coming up week is so busy though. I'm gonna have to push through it. It's fine. I've been through worse, but I'm gonna know about it because the fatigue is so unbelievably real. It's the kind of fatigue that you have when you have the flu. You know, like you need to get up and get some damn chicken noodle soup and some more NyQuil or something, but you just like it's so hard to muster the strength. So that's where I'm at. I got the time. I'll make the time. It'll be worth it. I have no issue with oral fixation at all. None at all. I mean, if I chew on a straw or something, like, okay, yeah, it's fine, but like, I don't have that physical aspect. It's all mental. I thought about microdosing. It's helped me with stuff in the past, helped me, work through things in the past. I mean, if it's good enough for Tyson. Uh, anyway,